आणि हे आमचं एक्झिबिशन स्टार्ट झालं 24th January. It'll go until 28th January. Timing from 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock. And exhibition is for sale and for viewing also. There are 3 types of artists working with 3 different medium. One is stone, one is canvas, and one me. I work with etching, that is lithography, metal, aluminium plate, and all these things comes under etching. This is the work that we do. So this is just the first exhibition we have come up. There will be more. Also, if you see, all 3 artists have very different mediums of work. This is, and because we are all friends, we exhibit together, so that also everybody knows that artists have different तरेतरेचे वेगळे स्किल्साचे वेगळे मिडियम्साचे आता आमी टुगेदर येवन एक्झिबीट एक केला बेश्टो रिस्पॉन्स करपाक लोकांचो आनी आमी हे सगळे सेलाकूय हा एक्झिबिशन्स.
So what is your advice to the young artists?
Many young artists came to see our work, but not many came. I would tell the young artists, जी जो exhibition जाता, those worldly artists, धाकटे artists, I want these artists, young artists to go and see this exhibition, because till they know, they will not know आमी कशें कितें करतात ते. If you see this, it's very different exhibition is done with stones. आमी केन्ना पळोवंक ना कोण फातराचेर हय रियलिस्टीक काडटा ते, पूण हिंगा तूं येत जाल्यार कला अकॅडमींत तूं हें पळोवंक मेळटलें. तो हांव कितें म्हणटा बारीक भुरग्यांक जे कोण करूंक सोदता ते हिंगा येवन असलें एक्झिबिशन खूब जाता कला अकॅडमींत वचोन पळोवप आनी टायम मेळटा तेन्ना 2-3 जाण ग्रूप करून एक एक्झिबिशन करूंक जाय दुसऱ्या लोकांक दाखोवपाक. तर हितून अवेरनसूय जाता, हितून गोवाच्या लोकांकूय कळटा, मिडियाकूय कळटा की बाबा खूब आर्टिस्ट आमचे गोवान आहा आनी ते वयर सरोंक सोदता. कित्याक आमी एक ड्रीम पळयलोलो कॉलेजीन जॉयन करतना की एक दीस आमी एक्झिबिशन घालतले. आयज आमी एक पार्ट फुलफील केले त्या ड्रिमाचो हिंगा एक्झिबिशन घालून एंड वी आर डुईंग इट विथ अ व्हेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स. सो हे आमचें एक बरेंपण कहें जालां एंड आय वूड वॉन्ट द यंगस्टर्स टू कंटिन्यू दीस exhibition streak and not like do once in a year, maybe do 10 exhibitions or 15 exhibitions in a year. In the rains we cannot do this, so I tell we do it in full season time, continue with this exhibition. It's good for us, it's good for Goa, it's good for India, it's good for the world also. आमच्या वर्ल्डान कळूंक जाय की आमच्या एक गोवान बरे पद्धतीचे आर्टिस्ट आहा ते वयर येवंक शकतात म्हणल्यार हेतून आमकां कळतात फुडें.
What was the theme of the exhibition?
Actually, अशें कशें थीम नासलें, we didn't keep any theme. We all worked the individual styles. Like my theme was etchings and the basic elements I use is nature, like water, trees, fish, birds, and everything that comes in nature. दुसरो आमचो आर्टिस्ट आहा तो फातराचेर आनी एकलो गोवाचेर उलयता. तुमी तेंचे कडेन उलयतले ते आपले आयडिया तुमकां सांगतले.
And my work is based on Goa, which is the traditions and cultures is dying, which is I just wanted to give a high message to the people from Goa and all over the world. And my medium is acrylic on canvas, which you can see here, and different sizes of the paintings are here for sale. And I've been painting for last 20 years and worked on a different mediums. This time I did acrylic. I also do different type of mediums as well, and murals. And number 1 painting I sold in UK, Sweden, America, Australia, and many other countries.
What have you gained from all these artists and you being an artist and a lot of paintings you have done? What has that given to in your life?
A lot of beginning I have to struggle, as you all know, like we struggle for beginning, like in the beginners, so as you work hard and then some of the works just picked up by the people and then you become just and the biggest thing is like in my life my mother is the biggest inspiration, because we all family is an artistic family, but I've taken as a career as an artist. The main thing, like see the painting which is here, and normally I paint is based on people life, and some of the painting you can see about the people, and every time I do the painting I see the people, real people, and then I do their story on this thing. Every time I travel, I see people, like and that's the thing. And then the motto of the Goan topic is like which is you can see the culture style, and that is I want to. Even last time I put my exhibition, which was like I got a good response, and hopefully I'm looking forward for my good response for this exhibition as well.
basically, if you see over here, these paintings which I've done, it's on stones. Like paintings, when you first see painting, what comes in your mind is like canvas. But I wanted to try something totally different from the canvas, do something creative off the canvas. So this idea clicked to me when I was like at home, confined when I was confined at home with an accident. So I just to kill my time, I did a small Jesus painting on a pebble which I had at home. So when I saw the painting, I was like quite amazed to see the result finally. So from there, I tried a bigger pebble. So that also quite came out quite good. So from there, this idea came to me. So I thought like, why not give it a try? This is a new medium. Let introduce it to the people. Let to see what is the feedback I'm getting. So I tried to bring out, and the exhibition is to address to the masses the best medium. So I hope the people will accept this. Yeah.
What has these pictures given in your life?
These pictures are basically the toughest reference which I took. There is in a group where I'm in a member, so where artists and photographers share common pictures, paintings. So these are all the paintings. Actually, these are references from highly professional photographers. So from there, I picked the toughest references based on my shape of the stones. So I took it. I studied the stone first, the shape of it. Accordingly, then I select a reference and then I start with my painting.
What is the message you want to give to young artists?
I want to give a message to the young artists that you all should come out creative. Don't stick with it's what you get taught in the college. Okay, you have to do this. No, you have to think out of the box. Be creative. Come out with something new. And obviously, if you start with the hard work, people will appreciate it. You will be noticed. So that's what I want to share with people, and that's why I'm coming with this stone painting as my medium. Okay, so I want to create this awareness even you can give life to the stones. This also soon can get flourished other than canvas, and obviously you don't have to buy it. You just go, have to spend some time, select all good stones. That's how we start.
What is the color that you have used?
It's acrylic.